Alright guys, welcome back to Lightning Outdoors. Today we will be testing and reviewing the mystery tackle box. Starting off, if you haven't watched the last video, Bass Pro Shops and Academy unboxing, or the Missouri videos that I posted this year, go do so. Go watch those. Absolutely amazing videos. The first Missouri trip, when I'm making this video, I can say that thing was awesome. Second one, don't know because it's still in work. What?
Mom, this part came off.
Yeah. You can already see kind of what's in there. So, got the Dibble magazine thing. Some faded stickers. Don't know if they're supposed to be faded. Oh, throwback stickers. Ew. That's why they look like that. Where's the sheet that tells me what I got? There it is. Starting with the Guggen Squad clickbait. It doesn't say here. Let me read the back. Sexy Shad 4-aught. The Guggen Squad clickbait is a hybrid vibrating jig with a flash of a bladed jig, the unique swimming action of a scrounger, and a unique sound and vibration that fish have never felt before. Alright. I'll take their word for it. I'm too broke to buy these. But they are absolutely wicked. I cannot wait to throw one of these. I actually have some stuff in here I want to put those on, but I might not. Next we got Carl's Amazing Baits, the Runt. I've seen these on Carl's Bait and Tackle for a while. They are an ugly little crankbait. It's not just proven fish catching design, qualities, materials, blah blah, or gentle massages he gives them before they're packaged. Good one, Carl. That's a good one. Does it say? Alright, this is the OG sex sheet. Does it say where it's made? Oh, made in China. There it is. But yeah, the Runt looks pretty legit. I've never actually had a crankbait with a feathered trailer before. Next, we got the 1,000 Fish Yoda Worm, which I've been eyeballing the Yoda worms forever. Kid you not. I've been eyeballing these forever. 4.75 inch, 6-pack, irresistible tickle tail. What do they call this? Green pumpkin pearl. Alright, Carl, call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it baby bass. They say this is a creature bait, but it has worm in the name, so I'm calling it worm. Alright. Next, we got the Big Bite Baits Swimming Craws. Am I putting the... Yes. Putting those around backwards. There we go. I'm going to say that's a green pumpkin. Say that's green pumpkin.
Why don't you go get a couple more?
Not quite sure.
Because this is going to make the mess of this bag, okay? Let's get a couple
But I'm going to just say that's green pumpkin. And then finally,
go grab a couple more.
we got 3, I think those are 2-aught hooks. Nothing fancy from Harmony Fishing Company.
Out of the bag and hit me.
That's about it. Don't think they're too terribly fancy. But yeah, stay tuned. Me and my brother are going to go fish with our boxes. He also bought one. We got the 208, I believe it is, model. So, yeah. So, we'll be back eventually. And yeah, see y'all sooner than later. Alright, everybody, welcome back to Lightning Outdoors. Today, oh wait, I already said that. Well, this morning we are attempting, and by we I mean me and my brother are attempting an MTB slam. This is the biggest action I've ever seen on my life. It's weird. This is like, I don't remember what I said on the text. This thing can go quite deep. It goes like 3 to 5 feet or something. Well, I don't like the beaver. He's not my friend. He ain't gonna bite you. That's not beaver's nature.
They don't bite.
Alright. We're going. Start fishing this creek here. Last trip I pulled several bass off of it. And guys, don't worry, if I fail this, I will go home and I will succeed in completing. That was supposed to ski. I'm gonna go change up baits, guys. I don't like how this isn't working. Alright, guys. There we go. I switched over to the Yoda worm from 10,000 Fisher, something like that. And I'm fishing it like a fluke. My brother's using the big bite baits, swim and crawl, the stretchy kind. Dang it, Carl, you let me down. Or, not Carl, but Mr. Techwalks, you let me down. Which I could be a social blame Carl.
What are you saying about Carl?